Hi, Dr. Karyne Wilner here from the Core Energetics Academy, talking about communications. And today, I want to focus on the arms and hands because through our arms and hands, it's a great way to greet 2021. So when you're open and want people to come closer and you want to receive and bring in warmth and connection, you want your palms to show, your arms to be open. You may not be able to see me here, but arms open, kind of reaching out, letting people in. When you're closed, which means you don't want contact and you don't want to share, you may have your arms crossed in front of your chest or be over your belly, or standing with your arms at your side, but your hands are facing backwards. That means I'm not open, I'm not going to share my feelings, don't come too close. When you move your hands a lot, and some people do culturally, but it can also be a way of deflecting, meaning I don't want you to pay attention to me, I'm not worth it, so I'm just going to deflect and throw my energy everywhere else and keep you guessing. Finally, when there's stress or anger, you may find your fingers curling inward and almost as if you're going to make fists. So fists and even tight jaws represent anger, resentment, envy, and just feeling downright negative and tense. For this new year, 2021, I hope you will open your arms, greet people, and make connections. Again, Happy New Year, Dr. Karyne Wilner.